Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. So I'm sat in the back of my own car. It's actually very roomy actually, I'm not gonna lie. Like I can put my full feet out, look. I'm a big guy, 6 foot almost, so that's not bad. So yeah, today we're gonna be showing you how to set up the dash cams on the BMW F30. So you got 3 options, because slot the 12-volt socket there and one behind you in the boot. So for the front camera, we're gonna actually power it from that bottom one there. So you're not gonna, by the end of this, you're not gonna see any wires, because you're gonna run the wire through there, through the weather strip, through the top of the roof, and then directly there below the mirror. If all things go to plan, hopefully, should be the good enough length, hopefully. So yeah, this is the dash cam. It's the old one that we've been using, the Wi-Fi one, the really good one. It's got very good quality on that. Yeah, and that's the wire from the old one. And you're gonna need this because it's a tips. I'll give you a good tip. When you're setting up these dashcam mounts, after a while they're gonna get not as strong. So what you do is spray some of this on, like any liquid really, onto the suction, put it into the window, and you'll lock it in place. Actually, it suctions it very well. So if there's any gaps or anything, any dirt, you'll go straight through that and just suction it very well. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, now I need to find a 12-volt socket with 2 ports. I'm just gonna open this. Which ones have I got in there? Oh, my leg. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we need one for the back first, innit? Is the one in there? That's 3 port in it. That's mine. Is that quick charge? What's the orange? What do you say on the orange? Quick charge. Okay, that's fine. That will be for my phone. Okay, so this one we'll leave in the back. So they can use a quick charger in the back as well. What's that bit? Yeah. Okay, so I'll leave that plugged in. Wait, does this one have to glow? Has that stopped glowing?
Yeah, because it's been 10 minutes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, the battery might be dead. But who knows? Yeah, so what are you saying a bit? What's that? That's the 1 port.
Yeah.
That's for the back, yeah. We'll use that for the back. So this one we're going to use in the boot. So that's when we set up the back dashcam. I'll show you how to do that as well. Hopefully we've got enough space. But I'm actually thinking about it now. I don't know if there's any point setting up that back dashcam, because it's so limited visibility already. But we'll see how much space it takes anyways. If it doesn't take much space, then I'll set it up. Otherwise I might just leave the back one out, because it's not necessary. It's the front one mainly that's necessary. Okay, so what's in there? Okay, so the 2-port one, I'm going to take it from this one anyway, because we're going to set up these strip lights soon, so stay tuned for that as well. This one did have a 2-port, I believe. Yeah, there you go, 2 ports. So we'll run 2.1 amp, we'll run the lights with, and 1 amp, so we'll use the dashcam on. So there's a port under there. We're going to set this up, put it in there, and then we'll stick these cameras on first, so then we can get this sorted. Okay, so ready to set up. We'll find the hole for this first. So we'll stick completely. Where the fuck is it? Where is it? Oh, is that it? This might be it. Gonna have this one. Yeah, lights on. Yeah, lights on. That's working. Okay, so first thing we do, we're actually gonna mount this on here first. I think that'll be the easiest way. So gonna open this up. It's already open. It's already open. We'll spray a bit of this on. Not too much, not too little. Okay. Trying to figure out where do I want the camera. I don't know. That's quite low down, isn't it? That's as high as it can go, because it's dumpy. Let's put it there. So put it there. That's very low. Yeah, now move it there. Some more spray in here. That's way too low, it's block your region. So there's no rest in the way. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to leave it here. Yeah. That'll be alright. be alright. Some place. Next thing we need to route the wiring, so I'll get the wires out. It's the wire. This way up. This wire up. There's the head lining. This one, oh, this one doesn't sit in the headline. Now guys, I managed to get the wire in. There is a place you can put it in. You just have to open the headlight a tiny bit and lift it, put it in the bottom. So it is sat in there at the moment. Hopefully it stays in there. And then yeah, you just run it through here. Can you see? Just lift it up with your hand, run it through there. It goes along here. So that's the only wire you're ever going to see, which is alright. It has to go somewhere in it. Now, just gonna run this wire down the weather strip. Can you see what I'm doing here? Running all the way along. So you'll never be able to see this wire from here now. At least that's the plan anyway, hopefully. Okay, this might be a bit tricky here. But that should be fine. That is very hot. Come on, you bastard. This corner is going to be a bit tricky because it's tight. Fucking hell, that's tight. Yeah? I'm trying to do it without breaking anything. It doesn't help my hands are fat as a motherfucker. I might just ruin that little line there, that'll be alright. Yeah, trying to get that end in is very difficult in the corner there. Oh, this bit's quite tight as well. Doesn't want to pop out. Easy. This bit doesn't want to pop out at all. I think that's very tight in there, look. Yeah. So what I might have to do, put it right in the corner somehow. There you go. Put it through there. Came out. Plug it in, but every time we had the wires, boys, it came out. Came out, yeah. Be fine. As long as you make it tight down there, it should be fine a bit. Okay? You can hold it. Yeah? You can hold it. I need to go underneath. Remove that way a bit. Alright, so to take this piece off, actually, just run your hand through there and then better fit there, and then directly under there you can't see a single wire because it's hidden very well. The only wire you see is the end one there. So what you do is run it through this end here, literally through all the plastic, and then through the back there, just to wire it all the way through, shove it all the way through, and then through here, and then tighten it up here, and then you're fine. Oh, there's no wires there. So there is literally no wires anyway that you can visibly see, apart from that wire there, which is not visible anyway, and then this top wire there. So yeah, that's your front dash cam done. Let's go try the back one now, which might be aids. Let's see if we can even see out the back first. Alright guys. Alright guys, we put the seat forward, plug the wire in, and yeah, we're gonna put the dash cam on, see how much space we have first. Yeah. You want to record? Okay guys, I've decided to put it in the middle. If it blocks my view too much, I'm just going to take it out. I'll show you how to install it. So, I want it right in the middle, innit? Here-ish. Yeah. Okay. Straight. There. Yeah. Should be alright. Just the wiring. Okay, so side takes away the right side. go through. Okay, power now. Now can you see how much extra cabling we have? It's because of the timer came on and died. So yeah, we'll do this another time. But yeah, it's working. Right, so all this wire is going straight to the Petrol. So what I'm going to do is actually run it more to the right so you don't see. So just run it straight down it. Put it in. So you don't see as much wire. Run it straight down. This wire is going beneath the belt. Yeah, so the back one's a bit more fiddly. Obviously you're doing the back in. Okay. Should be fine there. Lock in place. There's all the wires there.
What?
Behind there. Yeah. Lock in place. You're right now. Shouldn't get too much in the way. Okay, let's go to the boot. Sort out the rest of the wiring. Next one, the dirt in there. There's a massive hole there, you can shove all the wires in there. That's exactly what I'm going to do. But I'm in a very awkward position at the moment. Fuck me. Yeah. Give me a second. I'm going to have to jump in the full boot because of how low it is. Otherwise, I don't think I can get in. I'll come with me other. Yeah. There you go. What do you think, guys? All the wire comes through the back. All of it sits in there, the hit extra wire, then you got a hook there anyway if you can clean it up. So it's fine, you can't really see it. Unless you're looking all day down here, you're not going to see any single wire. So stand where I am now. You can't see any wire apart from this one here, which is minor. Then let's go have a look inside. Nice. Back one's done, you can't really see the wire that much. Front one's done as well, and that's perfect one. That front one is perfect. You only really need the front one, but we've got both on anyway. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, that's how you do both. And yeah, see you guys next time, goodbye.